I'm from the west side where killers turn to gorillas, man. The clip's ready to peel you, my nigga. I'm Michael like Thriller with my pistol when I'm busting. No hold that I'm trusting, all about my money. So being frank, all I'm trusting. Blood rushing while I'm scoping, and I'm creeping up your block. 806, we keep it hot. Don't get caught up on the block without your Glock. These niggas taking in they jacking. You fall off your game, I see you slacking. Hound nigga, I see packing. I'm back up in this thing, best believe a nigga capping. I'm a captain in the game since a young nigga. I whip cocaine or remove the frame out the Chevy. Upgraded to a Porsche 911. Sachi, this don't test me. I keep a Smith & West. I bring that drama to your mama. Leave her stressing, you ain't blessing. Only real niggas in my session. I was counting stones, pushing out my blessings. Laws looking, they can catch me. Posted with my work in the hefty. Get money. Look, Key.
Yeah, Young Key, I see you. Coming all the way from that 806, man, represent. I feel you, let go, yeah. Money movement, you can't stop it, ho. Try to do, I cut it though. Young niggas, we ballin', bro, and all my niggas roll heavy though. 6-0's my niggas, bro, we don't fuck around with no ratchet hoes. Fuck around with these ratchet hoes, you gon' fuck around and get smoked. West side ain't no joke, pistols off my niggas' toes. You can catch us with a 380, with a hollow tip, with a full nose. Lane side is your section, bro, go ahead, just bag back. Like Lil' the OC, gotta gonna give my fist stack so I can sew up this town. Hard white and that brown. Riding through my city like I'm the king of the town, but I'm that same little old nigga. Riding around with them figures. Piss me off and I'll show you who's supposed to be a real nigga. Say I'm down for my hood. 806 I stand. West side was my blueprint, that's where I came up, man. Say y'all hold it down for my city. You boys better fuck with me, cause if you don't, that mean you whole ass niggas riding against.
I'm from the west side of Littlefield, born and raised in West Texas. Thug life on my side, this paper I'm out here steady chasing. Me and my niggas, we different than the rest of them. 155 pounds, I get out there with the best of them. You pussy niggas don't scare me, I put that on my soul. You want it, come and get it, nigga, let's go, nigga, let's go. But think before you do it, don't make a fatal mistake, cause when I go off, I'ma go off and act up in this place. Bitch, I'm trying to catch a case, I'm gonna murder one of you niggas. You touch one of my people, and I'm killing all of you niggas. From Phoenix, Arizona, all the way to the Dirty D. I fucks with them niggas, cause them niggas fuck with me. 806 is who I am, West Texas is where I'm from. I'm from the country, niggas really go dumb, go dumb. You better hold your fucking tongue before you speak, cause when we come, I promise, nigga, we coming with that heat. Feezy.
Yeah, man. Top notch shit being spit from D-Town to West Texas, you hear me? Get them, bro.
Ghetto niggas remain tight, and my killers remain silent. Till it's time to go get these niggas in their life. My spurs up in this bitch, 4-5 gon' hit them quick. That Whopper Chopper 380 gon' be splatting this shit. But we ain't always about that gunplay. Me and my niggas bang every day. Hustle till I get paid, I'm tryna top that 50K. Hit that shit, then keep going. Bruce Leroy, my body glowing. I keep the whole hood snowing, keep the whole hood snowing. Oh, that's just my chain, my swag is so insane. These niggas don't want it, man. These niggas don't want it, man. That West, that be my block, nigga. Fucking with a hot nigga. Cross it so wrong, nigga. You can catch a shot, nigga. Blow this through your door. Blow, there's two more. It was only one target, but we hit whoever in that hole. Ain't no evidence to show, nothing forensic to chase. We killing every fucking thing, so this a unsolved case. Straight lace, no chase, nigga raw and uncut. She say my nigga in this hoe, I say who gives a fuck? A young nigga selling Grammys, shout out to the Sandy. Young Jahari, that's my man, tell these niggas quit playing.
Yeah, bitch, I'm gangsta, but I'm fur, I let you choose your fate. You want bullets all in your body, yo, a bruised up face. You can leave in one piece peacefully, just cruise away. But shit, that really all depends on the next move you make. Maybe you wanna war, bring it, Jack, I train for these things. Fuck with me, nothing but pictures and your name and remain. I admit it, when it be spitting, it's hard aiming the thing. Hell, it's a yapper and I'm small, so I be slinging the flame. No Damon Wayne, but Major Pain came if you anger me, man. Or maybe it's home in the clan. Sock door when I'm banging your brain. All this cock and the rabbit popping and have you active like a live wire. Pussy nigga, that's a treatment for trying to be a wild guy. Some just talk about it, but not I. Let it go, nigga, why not? Then the loss get that call, man down. After shots fired, deal with the situation, then I get on my way. My schedule full, pimp, I ain't got time for first 48.